Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. Today we'll be proceeding to the uses of connectives that we learned in the previous videos on logical reasoning. Remember the connectives that we learned: conjunction, disjunction, negation, implication, by implication, and equivalence. So we're going to be seeing examples and the uses of these connectives one after the other. Let us begin with conjunction. Conjunction. Remember, I said conjunction is and two statements can be combined by using the connective. And let us say the statement: Kunle is handsome. Kunle is cheerful. So let us consider this statement: Kunle is handsome. Kunle is cheerful. These two statements can be merged together using the conjunction connective, and so that it becomes Kunle is handsome and cheerful. Kunle is handsome. So it can now be written as Kunle is handsome and cheerful. So Kunle is handsome and cheerful. So now we just connected the two statements together using conjunction. And so supposing these statements, the first statement, Kunle is handsome, is represented with letter Q, and Kunle is cheerful is represented with letter R, then I can tell that Kunle is handsome and cheerful can be written as Q, written as Q and R. So with the use of the connective, and that is conjunction symbol, we can rewrite Q and R to be Q and R. So if there is a statement such as Kunle is handsome represented with letter Q and Kunle is cheerful represented with letter R, and this comes that we should rewrite the statement Q and R. So it will change the statement to be Kunle is handsome and cheerful. Now if the statement Kunle is handsome is denoted by Now, let us judge this statement using the truth table. The truth table. So let us create a truth table for this. A truth table. The truth table. Q. The statement Q and the statement R. Now looking at the truth table, Q, statement number 1, R, the second statement, and on the third column of the table we have Q and R. So we have T stands for true. So when Q, the first statement is true and the second statement is true, so connecting first statement and second statement with and is true. Whatever we get is true. If the first statement is true and the second statement is false, connecting the two together will give us a false statement. Judgment number 3. When the first statement is false and the second statement is true, when we join them together with and, we are going to have a false statement. And lastly, when the two statements are false and we join them together with and, statement F is false, meaning that what we are going to get as a compound statement is false. Let's take some examples. So example number one, study the statement below and draw a truth table P and Q, right? Now, the first example says Lagos is in Nigeria, P, Cairo is in Africa. So let's go into the solution for this solution. So solution. So let us draw our truth table. So for the first one, so let's say we have P and we have Q. So P and Q, P and Q. So let's check P and Q. P is true, right? P is true and Q is true. P and Q, Lagos is in Nigeria and Cairo is in Africa are true. So this will be true. So that's the table for the first one. Since Lagos is in Nigeria, that is a true statement, and Cairo is also in Africa is a true statement, then P and Q is correct. Let's check the second one, B, using the same table. It says 2 is 1/2 of 4. 2 is 1/2 of 4, that is true. 2 is 1/2 of 4. Now, the second statement says 2 is the cube root of 3. That is false. 2 is a cube root of 3. No, it is not. So, that is false. So, by the time we add it together, 2 is 1/2 of 4 and the cube root of 12. So we know that that conjunction is a false statement. So since we're having false as part of it, definitely the connective element in the compound statement, we tell that the statement should be what? Should be false. False. So it's as simple as this. So it's as simple as this. I believe you understand how to use and connective in logical reasoning and how to draw your truth table. Bye bye. See you in the next video.